What's up, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I just pulled into my driveway. And while I was driving, I was thinking about the topic of respect. And, you know, generally speaking, most humans are great to each other. But man, some of you guys are dicks for no good reason, you know, and it's especially apparent. It kind of seems like the freaks come out of the bushes once you put yourself out there. You know, you run an ad or something like that, and people can be downright nasty when they don't even know you. They don't know anything about you. And so this is really just a PSA, not just in business, but in personal life too. Guys, respect each other. Recognize that at the end of the day, every single living thing on the planet showed up here just like you did. We just woke up, a little babe, you know, on planet Earth, and all of us just want to live and allow us to just live our own lives. Like, we want each other. If you want other people to let you live your life, you have got to let other people live their lives. Be nice to each other. Understand that in business, everybody's out there just trying to make a living and take care of themselves and their family. That's it. Business doesn't mean they're out here trying to take from you. It's just that people want to put food on their table and they want to be able to go on vacation and see the world and put their kids through school, or, you know, make sure that they can put gas in their car, or whatever it is that they want to do, reach people and spread their message or their product, you know, that they're passionate about. So be cool to each other. You don't gain anything by being mean, rude, name calling. Why? It's so strange to me to see somebody on the internet, especially, to just go out there and spread hate speech or name calling, or like just libel even, and slander and things like that. It's crazy. Don't do that. Be cool. Be a cool human. Spread good vibes. You know, I am a big believer in what you put out there comes right back to you. So remember the golden rule. Treat people the way you want to be treated. If you see something you don't like, stop thinking it in terms of, I hate that, or I don't like that, I disagree with it. Instead, just think to yourself, oh, that's not what I prefer, but move along. You know, you can live your life the way that you want to live it and allow other people to live the life that they want to live too. And if everybody does that, the world truly will be a better place. So be kind to each other. Go out of your way to be nice. And if you don't have something nice to say, don't say anything at all. There's the old proverb or something like that that says, before you speak any words, let all the words you speak pass through these three gates. Is it kind? Is it true? Is it necessary? And if you can't say yes to all those three, don't say it at all. What do you gain by being a jerk? Like, nothing. So be cool, spread kindness, respect each other in personal life and in business. Switzer out.